Yeah, I changed my mind. Okay. Yeah, and I actually don't even care about this truck. I'll come there and get it tomorrow. So just leave now. We're out of the desert. Sounds good.
Here's my question. How are you gonna get there?
I think you're gonna drive.
I don't think so.
What? What? What are you doing? Yeah! Come on! Please listen to me. Stop throwing your damn keys! The werewolves come out at night, man. I don't want nobody to eat me. I got this size. I got fat ass. We are in the middle of the desert and nobody's gonna find our bodies. What? Have another breakdown.